Hi guys, today I'm going to show you an easy way to send high-quality snaps without losing resolution. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Without waste any time, open Snapchat. Press your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Then press the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down and find video quality. Set it to high instead of standard or low. If you don't see this option, don't worry, just follow the next steps. Snapchat's in-app camera compresses photos and videos, especially on Android. To get better quality, open your phone's camera app. Capture your photo or video using the native camera. Then open Snapchat and press the Memories Gallery icon. Choose the photo or video from your camera roll. This helps you avoid Snapchat's real-time compression. When selecting a photo or video, avoid editing it inside Snapchat. Filters, stickers, and in-app editing can lower the image quality. Instead, edit your content using apps like Lightroom or InShot before uploading it through Camera Roll. For next step, head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Snapchat and press update if there's one available. Keeping your app updated ensures you get the latest quality improvements. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.